Hello.
Hello, welcome to our class. All right, now Cherry, can you hear teacher clearly?
Yes.
All right, very good. Now Cherry, are you ready? Let's go, Cherry. Now look at the picture, Cherry. What can you see in the picture? I can see
Timmy
and
and
Dad.
Dad.
Yes, we can see Timmy and Dad. Very good, Cherry. Now let's read the title of our lesson today. What date
What date
is it today?
is it today?
Very good. What date is it today? Now, Cherry, let's go to the next slide. All right. Today you are going to learn topic time. What date is it today? Keywords: date, June, thing, and hint. And we will also learn sentence pattern, seems to. All right. Now, Cherry, let's go. Let's have some wrap up. Okay, look, the girl said, my birthday.
My birthday is in the
6th month
6th month
of the year.
of the year.
It is
the
second Monday
second Monday
of that month.
of that month.
Very good. Now, Cherry, let's find the correct date. When is the girl's birthday? 6th month of the year, and it is second Monday of that month. Now let's circle which date or month is it? When is the girl's birthday? It's on June 13th.
June 14th.
Yes, it's on June 13th. Very good. Correct. Now, Cherry, let's go. Let's prepare. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Cherry, let's learn our first vocabulary. Date.
Date.
Yes, date. Excuse me. Now let's read the sentence. What's the date?
What's the date today?
Very good. What's the date today? It's June.
It's June
7th.
7th.
Yes, it's June 7th. Very good. Now, Cherry, what do you use to check the date? Okay, which picture? Picture 1 or picture 2? Tick the right box. Very good. That's right. Correct. Very good. Now, Cherry, next. Let's have the second vocabulary. June.
June.
June is the 6th month.
June is the 6th month of the year.
Very good. June is the 6th month of the year. So this is the month of June. Again, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's the 6th month of the year. Very good. Now, Cherry, look at the picture. Which month has 30 days? Picture 1 or picture 2? Correct! Very good. It's picture 2, June. Next thing.
Think.
Timmy wants
Timmy wants
to do
to do
many things.
many things.
Correct. So Timmy wants to do many things. Look, Timmy wants to do swimming. Timmy wants to ride a bicycle. Timmy wants to paint. Timmy plays guitar. Okay, and then Timmy is reading a book. Very good. So that are the things that Timmy want to do. Many things. Now, Cherry, what's the first thing you do when you get up? The first thing I do
The first thing I do
is to brush my teeth. Yes. Is to brush my teeth. Okay, that's the first thing that Cherry will do. Now, let's have our fourth vocabulary, Cherry. Hint.
Hint.
Yes. Pictures.
Pictures are the
Hints.
for the
Word. Puzzle.
puzzle.
Very good. So look at the picture. Okay. Pictures are the hints for the word puzzle. Very good. Now, Cherry, look at the picture below. Which one is a hint of a birthday? Picture 1 or picture 2? Let's tick the box. Very good. You are right. Good job, Cherry. Now next, let's read the sentence pattern. Timmy seems to
be hot.
That's right. Okay, remember, Cherry, our sentence pattern seems to. Okay, next. They seem
to be
cold. That's right. Very good. And third one. Timmy seems to have finished his homework. Correct. And last one. They seem
to have
had an argument. Very good. All right, so remember the sentence pattern, Cherry. Seems to. Now, ikaw time, Cherry. Talk with teacher. This is Dad and this is Timmy. Now let's read. Timmy
and Dad are
talking
in the
sitting room.
sitting room.
Right, so Timmy and his dad are talking in the sitting room. Now let's continue. Timmy
That
date,
what
date,
date
is it
is it today?
today,
Today is
June?
June 7.
Why are you
Why are you
asking?
asking?
Good, so what date is it today? Did Dad ask, Timmy? Today is, that's right. Now, okay, I'm asking
I'm asking
because
because you
seem to
seem to have
forgotten
forgotten
something important.
something important.
What important thing?
One,
What important thing?
what
Important
important
thing.
thing
Could you
could you
give me
give me some
hints, Dad?
hints that
That's right. Now, what about this?
what about this?
When is
When is your
grandma?
grandma's birthday?
It seems
It seems to be
June.
in June.
Let me see.
Let me see. It's June
8.
8.
Oh,
Oh no,
That's tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Yes, so tomorrow, June 8th, is Grandma's birthday. Now let's continue. I knew you would forget. I knew
I knew you
would
would
forget.
forget.
Thanks
Thanks
for
for
reminding
reminding
me, Dad.
me that.
Very good. Now let's continue. Do you have
Do you have
any ideas
any ideas about
what to
what to
get her?
get her?
I
I
need
need to get her
a special
special
gift.
gift,
But
but it's a
secret.
secret for now.
Very good. So Timmy will get a special gift for his grandma, but it's a secret for now. Now let's continue. Yes, let's practice, Cherry. What we prepare. Now, Cherry, match the picture and say it. Okay, let's have our first activity. June, hint, thing, and date. Okay, let's match them. Match the words with the pictures. And let's say them. Okay. Right, example, teacher will help you. Me, it's did. Right? Now, think. Okay, this one, number 2. Now, Cherry, it's your turn. Hint. Match the word with the picture. Hint. And then June. Correct. Very good. Hint. That's right. Good job, Cherry. Now next, Cherry, another activity. Let's complete the sentences with the words in the word bank, okay? Things, date, and June. Okay, now let's picture number 1. What?
What
Date.
date is it today?
Very good. What date is it today? Number 2. June. June is the
June is the
6th month.
6th month of the year.
Very good. June is the 6th month of the year. That's right. And last, Mom has lots of things
things
to
to
do.
do.
Mom has lots of things to do. Now, Cherry, let's solve the mazes and find the word. Okay. Example, we have here date. Okay, so this one, date. Date. All right. Now next, thing. Thing. Now, Cherry, it's your turn. Hint. Hint and June. Hint. 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 Yes, that's right. Very good. Hint. Now, June. Hint. Correct. Next, June. G-U, yes. June. Yes, that's right. Good job, June. Very good, Cherry. Wow, that's amazing. Now next, let's correct the sentence and make new sentence based on the picture. The girl seems
to be a
winner. Correct. He seems
to have
fallen
fallen
asleep.
asleep.
That's right. Now, Cherry, let's have a role play. Teacher is Timmy. You are mom. Mom, what date is it today? Honey,
Honey,
today
today
is
is
June
June
2nd.
2nd.
Mom, you seem to have forgotten something important. Right? Let's continue the next page, Cherry. Can you give me some hints? Okay.
Okay,
Which day
which day
is Children's Day?
is Children's Day?
Aha! I'm sorry. I forgot it. I'll give you a gift. Now, Cherry, we are almost done. Okay, let's read. What are the topic, keywords, and sentence pattern we learned? Topic, what date is it today? Keywords. Date,
Date
June,
June
thing,
thing
and hint.
hand.
Very good. Sentence pattern. I'm asking
I'm asking
because
because you
seem
seem to have
forgotten
forgotten
something important.
important.
Very good. Wow, great job in today's lesson, Cherry. Thank you so much for answering the activities. Okay, you perform well. Now, Cherry, we are done for today. Bye for now, Cherry. Thank you so much. Be happy, be good, be safe. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, Cherry. Have a great night.